Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everybody. Let us start our new lesson today. It's about congruency. What is the meaning of congruency? Generally, the two polygons are congruent if what their corresponding sides are equal in length and their corresponding side angles are equal in measure. What does this means? It means if I have two polygons like this, I have two triangles and side FE equals side CV and FD equals CA and AB equals DE, and then measure of angle E equals measure of angle B, and measure of angle F equals measure of angle C, and measure of angle D equals measure of angle A. So these two triangles are congruent, and this sign, it's like equals, but it has three sides like this: one, two, three. Okay, we called it congruent. Okay, from here I can say ABC congruent to a triangle DEF. Also, I can say from words, not from the drawing, AB equals DE and BC equals EF and FD equals CA, and measure of angle A equals measure of angle D, and measure of angle B equals measure of angle E, and measure of angle C equals measure of angle F. Okay, let's see. In the two opposite polygons, AE, okay, equals the side XM, and ED equals the side ML, and the side LZ equals the side DC, and CB equals ZY, and YX equals BA. Okay, so I have to say, and the measure of angle E equals the measure of angle B, the measure of angle A equals the measure of angle X, measure of angle E equals the measure of angle M. So these two polygons are congruent. Okay. Okay, the two congruent polygons should be written in the same order of their corresponding vertices. If the two opposite triangles are congruent, then we write triangle ABC congruent to triangle XYZ. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle XYZ. Okay, measure of angle A equal measure of angle X. Measure of angle B equal measure of angle Y. And the measure of angle C equals the measure of angle Z. Okay, from here, AB equals XY and BC equals YZ and ZX equals CA. Measure of angle A equals measure of angle X. Measure of angle B equals measure of angle Y. And measure of angle C equals the measure of angle Z. Okay, if the two polygons are congruent, then each side and each angle in one of them is congruent to its corresponding element of the other polygon. As we said, this is two polygons A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, L. So AB equals XY and BC equals YZ and CD equals ZL and LX equals DA, and measure of angle A equals measure of angle X, measure of angle B equals measure of angle Y, and measure of angle C equals measure of angle Z, and measure of angle D equals measure of angle L. So these two polygons are congruent. Okay, here equality of the corresponding sides of two polygons is not enough to get congruent polygons. I can say that sides are equal, so they are congruent. I have to the sides are equals and also the angles are equals. So here, if I have two square are congruent, the two square are congruent if the side length of one of them equals to